What if I told you that you could save these Spirit Airlines? Well, the grassroots movement Spirit 2.0 needs your help. By making a non-binding pledge today, you can donate as little as $45. That's the cost of only one Spirit ticket in order to save Spirit. This is a crowd-funded movement. Essentially, this movement aims to make Spirit a community-owned airline. That is, the American people have the say in this new Spirit. Once again, these pledges are non-binding, so until a deal is made, you will not pay. Head on over to letsbuyspiritair.com. That's letsbuyspiritair.com to save Spirit Airlines.